Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to deactivate your Facebook account. But before we go further, just so you know that this is the latest update from May 2023. Now if you find that Facebook has changed any elements of the settings that we go through, check the description of this video. We will link to the new video on how to do this. Now, to get into the steps of how to deactivate your Facebook account. So with our first step, you want to go ahead and click your profile picture on the top right of Facebook. Now you'll not be able to see it on my screen, it's just covered off. But once you've clicked on that, you'll get a drop down menu of a couple of different areas there, which is your settings and privacy, help and support, display and accessibility, give feedback and log out. Now the one you want to click on there is the settings and privacy. So go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be able to see our next area here, which is the settings, language, privacy checkup, privacy center, activity log and feed. You want to go ahead and continue to click settings. Now this will link you to a new page. Now the Meta Account Center has actually made a couple of changes, and this is now where you're able to deactivate your account. Now once you've loaded onto this screen, you'll see on the top left there the Meta Account Center. Now this is where you're able to manage your personal details, password and security, and the ad preferences. So just quite literally click on that logo there, Meta Account Center. So the next page is the Account Center. So of course you'll see your profiles there, that's not the important part. On the left side there, what you want to go ahead and do is click on to the personal details. So you'll just see that on the accounts. Okay, so of course your sensitive information will be located just below the personal details. It will be stating your contact information, date of birth and identity confirmation. But just below all that you'll see the account ownership and control. You want to go ahead and click on to that one. Okay, so we're nearing the end of the deactivation. So then you'll get this pop-up asking your account ownership and control. So as you can see, you have the option on deactivation or deletion. So you want to go ahead and proceed to that. Now you'll not see it on my screen, but I've got 3 accounts there. Pretty much just choose the account or profile that you want to deactivate. Then select deactivate account. Click continue, then follow the instructions to confirm. So this is pretty much the pop-up that you'll get next, which is deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. Now, as I've mentioned, you could choose to deactivate your account. So it just means that your account is temporarily deactivated. It's within the name. You'll be able to continue using Messenger, but you'll not be able to use Facebook. So that means most of the things that you have will be removed, and that's your name and photos. Now deleting the account is a completely different story. That of course means that deleting it will mean that it's permanently wiped. That means you can't use Messenger, nor will you be able to use Facebook. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. As you can see, that was a very easy process to deactivate your account, and that is the updated version from the previous update of May 2023. Now of course, if you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.